First things first, let's get this video started. So, today we're going to be putting together this Ho-Oh. Got it at Goodwill. See the tag? $6.99. Got it for my personal collection. We're gonna put it together. Let's see how it goes. As you can see, we are going to be putting together this beautiful Goodwill found Ho-Oh. No glue or paint required. So let's get right into it. So we got packaged, and instructions. Instructions are important, even though you might think they're not. I require instructions to put these together. I will jump in and show you some of the other model kits that we got. We got a Mewtwo and a Lugia. Let's just, for background purposes, put that, upside down, put that right there. Looks nice. Actually, just a little off to the side. Looking good. Alright, let's get started. First and foremost, we have to figure out how to read these instructions. Let's see. The start is there. Okay. Let's get started by opening the packages first and foremost. Alrighty. Let's put together this model kit. Open. Okay, these, oh, it's a spring. Cool, cool. Alright, so we have A1, we have A2, we have B, and we have C. And stickers and a spring, which I'm kind of confused what the spring's going to be for. Alright, so let's start with 1. It's going to be B2. So B and 2. These are so cute. They're little, I don't know if you can see in the video, but like they're little Pikachus where the numbers are. It's so cute. So cute. So let's get these detached. So we have B2 and then we have C4. C4. Get that off. And this goes right here. And then we have B3, just this little figure here. And that goes right in there. Maybe. Oh, it goes like this. I was doing it backwards. Alright, cool. Alrighty. So we got that started. That's the first thing. Alrighty, so then we take B4. And, I mean, it looks like the opposite side, so that's cool. Easy peasy. And clip that in place. Maybe. Just kidding, I'm doing this wrong. So, this piece was actually supposed to go like this. Makes sense because that's how O's head. Try again. There we go. Worked good. Alright, now we got A1, 4. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oop, dropped it. Okay. So this one is gonna go like this somehow. Okay, so like that. Yeah, so like that. So it can move up and down. That's cool. Okay, now what? Now there's a spring that goes in there. Let's see if we can rip this. And this spring goes in here. So it's like a spring. That's cool. Okay. On to the next thing is that piece that goes on the other side. Looks the same. And match up. Boom, click, click. Clicking, clicking, click is a good sign. Then we have B8. Alrighty, where does this go? Some of these instructions are kind of hard to understand. Oop, dropped it. Okay, so it would make sense that this goes like this. Cool. So then, look at that. Super cool. Okay. Then, check verification, and then B7. If it will come off. Oh, broke the plastic piece. Alrighty, and then that, oh, fell off already. Jeez. Okay, this goes. Okay, so we have his head going. Just for reference, this is the Lugia that I put together a couple weeks ago. It's from the same set, just not a Ho-Oh. It's a Lugia. So let's put that back here in the background. And then a little bit later, I'll bring out the Mewtwo. Alrighty, so where were we? We had to put this on. And then the other side, which is a B10. And put that same way as the other one, because these are going to be the wings. And then this goes. Put that down. Ow. Why are these so hard to get off? Jeez. Okay, now we have the body mostly together. Let's see if I can get it to go on. Oop, piece fell out. We can title this video, How Not to Put Together a Ho-Oh Model. Just kidding. Alrighty, let's see. There we go. Alrighty. Now, I don't know about you, but the rainbow flower, or the rainbow feather from a Ho-Oh really gets the blood pumping, I think. So, drop a like. Well, hit the like button. Drop a comment. Tell me about your favorite Pokemon story. You know, we just watched, a couple months ago, we watched the Journeys Pokemon set, which is on Netflix. And honestly, did I hit the right one? Nope, I got the wrong one. This was 12. I'm looking for 2. A2 13. Oh no, I was right. Okay. So 13's first though. So let me know what any Pokemon, I don't know if you would consider it anime or what have you, would you recommend me checking out? Because, you know, I watched the old, like early 2000s version back then, but it's been a while since I watched it. I do have some of the, like I have a leaf green, and other one, emerald, and it's not leaf green, it's emerald I think. I don't remember. But I have one of those on DVD that I have to check out. And a couple other ones that need to check out. But I also have quite a bit of the old series on VHS. So maybe I will show those off later on. Alright, where are we at? C3 and C2. C3, C2. So it's the beak, which is okay. So this one is the bottom, goes underneath. Is it clicking? Maybe not. And the top goes in like that. I feel like it should click in. Maybe not. Maybe it's not supposed to. But look at that. Gotten the profile started. Alrighty, what's next? Now we are going to be working on the feet. We have A2 15. Alrighty. That looks like it's going to be the right. Depending on how you look at it, it's going to be this side. It's chicken leg. Right on there. And then, of course, the other one. Go to the other side. And then we have A1. Grabbing those grabbing feet. Look at that. Look at that. Stuff really starting to come together. Alrighty. Now we're on to the wings, I believe. Parts to put together here. Let's see. We have to put... A1/8. Okay. A1/8 and A2/16. This one's kind of flimsy. But it kind of makes sense. I think it's going to be in connected. All right, and then A2/10. Oh, okay, so I think this is going to go in between somehow. Yeah, okay, that makes sense. Alrighty, so looks like it goes like that. Pretty cool. Oh, what's this? This is not supposed to be in there. And then this goes over top. Very cool, very cool. All right, and then we take B6 and B11. B6 and B11. I'm trying to be as careful as possible. I don't want to break the wrong part of the plastic, you know what I mean? All right, so I do believe this goes like that. And then, ooh, then we have a ho-oh wing. Look at that. So neat. Okay, so this goes on the right side. Oh my gosh. Look how cool that looks. That is so awesome. All right, and I guess we just do the same thing for the other side. Boom, shakalaka. Let's get her done. Get it done. Alrighty. Same thing happened again. Okay, let's see. Look at this. I'm so excited to see the ho-oh all put together. Let's do it. Alright, so that's that. And there we go. Look at that. Look at that. That is super exciting. Why is this side? Oh, okay. Why is this side like, I don't know. Oh. No? Huh? I guess you can flip them if you want. Oh, that's cool. Cool stuff. Alright. Now let's finish this guy. Would be a good time, having almost finished Ho-Oh, to show off Mewtwo. You can take his hand. The very famous Mewtwo pose. Look at that detail. So beautiful. We'll add him over here to Lugia. Alright, now let's put on those tail feathers. C1. Ooh. And very cool. Just put those right there. And then we put together the stand. Look, nothing left, nothing left. Nothing left on that one. And then we just put together the stand. So I'm gonna quick put together the stand and put the stickers on Ho-Oh and show you the final product. Alrighty guys, look at that monster. Awesome. I forego putting the stickers on the talons like they show here. If you look at it, they're white. Well, the stickers were ridiculous and they looked pretty terrible. So, and this is what it looks like on the stand. So I still have to do a couple more stickers, but I figured he's pretty much mostly done and he looks pretty awesome. So thanks for coming and hanging out and checking out my amazing handiwork. Now, disclaimer, I am nowhere near a professional model putter together, if there is such a thing, but finding these at Goodwill made me want to find more, so I'm gonna look into that. But all in all, look at these beauties. They're so awesome. So if you enjoyed this video, drop a like, leave a comment, and thanks for watching. Bye. Ah.